I'm James Mancz, I'm Head of Software Development for Feefo. Feefo is a consumer reviews platform, so we take customer sentiment from consumers and we provide that to our clients as insight into customer sentiment. And we also allow consumers to make better decisions during the purchasing process. So we manage this customer sentiment process for 3,000 clients, in total 5,000 e-commerce websites. Some of our customers include the likes of AXA, Expedia and Not on the High Street. Our software delivery pace is very fast. We release 2 versions of software every week, and every 2 weeks we release a more major version of the software which introduces larger pieces of functionality. We use an agile software development methodology, so what's very important for us to be able to be successful is to work very closely with all of the stakeholders. One of the benefits of Feefo's development team and their stakeholders is they're really all in one building. And one of our concerns of going down the relationship with Godel was how would this agile software delivery process be able to cope with teams that are distributed across 2 different locations. Fortunately, we haven't had a problem at all. The Godel team are absolutely brilliant, and the team really is one single team despite the fact we're based across 2 geographic locations. So our headquarter location is pretty unique. We're located on a dairy farm. We're in a lovely modern building, very light and beautiful, but we're in a small town, and the small town is surrounded by 3 cities. We've got Portsmouth to the south, Chichester, and then we've got Guildford to the north. So what we do struggle with when we're trying to hire software developers is attracting them out of the city. I think quite a few of them are a little bit scared of the countryside, to be honest. Feefo is an extremely ambitious tech-led company, so we've got an exciting roadmap to add new features and functionality to both our core platform and also new modular functionality that we're adding. And when I joined Feefo in December 2014, it was quite obvious that we had a big conflict between the resources that we had and this aggressive plan of roadmap features that we wanted to add. So we've got a great internal team. They're very, very talented. But we need someone to come in very, very quickly and allow us to burst the size of our development team, and that's where Godel came in. We're also very innovative and we like to try out new things, new processes that help us to get our products to market more quickly. And the good thing is that Godel are very much of that same ilk, very flexible, but also with a great deal of experience behind them that we can also rely on to help guide us in the right direction. The management team is also very hands-on. Neil Turvin is obviously very, very much invested in our success. And so we do really feel that it's a partnership rather than so much of a sort of a customer-supplier relationship. So we've just completed a very large project. It's the release of our version 3 platform. And we introduced a huge range of new features and functionality in there. So we've got a brand new design for our consumer journey. So that's the focus on what the customer does when they come to our website to leave feedback or review merchants' feedback. We also had better e-commerce integration and better analytics for our clients to understand their customer insights better. Godel worked alongside the in-house team, and although the architecture of the V3 platform was all designed in-house, Godel did take our consumer journey and run with that completely, while the internal team concentrated on the e-commerce integrations and the merchant analytics. So again, when we went into the relationship initially with Godel, one of the concerns was the fact that we had these agile software development teams based across 2 locations. And with this Feefo V3 project, the Godel team and all the other projects we worked on, but particularly with this project, the Godel team stayed absolutely in lockstep with the Petersfield team. And this meant that really absolutely nothing in a very large project fell through the cracks. The project was delivered on time and very successfully. So we have 2 teams effectively delivering our product roadmap. We've got the Feefo team and we've got the Godel team. And despite the fact that we've got these 2 teams that are across 2 different locations, we've got obviously a Petersfield team, a Mancz team. Culturally, they're from different backgrounds. Natively, their first language is different. The reality is it doesn't feel like we have 2 teams. It feels like we've got one Feefo software development team. And I guess that's really the beauty in the relationship, that it just works as one team and that Godel take away the hassle factor for hiring, but we've got this great talented team split across 2 different locations. To sum up Godel in 3 words, I would say they're flexible, responsive and precise.